Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little unboxing. I'm going to show you my latest purchases. I went slightly overboard at Hermès, but each of these is under 500 euro and will do amazing gift. And I'm also going to show you two little other things that I've been loving since I got them and that I think will be also beautiful gifts. I mean, for a loved one or for yourself, like I obviously purchased it for myself because this is actually the first one. It's this jumper. Let me show you a bit more. It looks like that. It's a cashmere jumper with like this little hood. I mean, I've never been putting it. It looks a bit weird, but I like a lot like the two color effect, and it's with cashmere, and it's from the brand Bompard, which is kind of in France, I would say one of the top for cashmere. I would use the word quiet luxury because if you know, you know, Bompard is like the best, but it's not quiet luxury prices like what you hear from Loro Piana or Kite or all these brands where it goes in the thousands. No, this is like more affordable. It's not cheap. I mean, it's not Uniqlo prices or all of this because it's still like very high quality. It's a French brand and they do a lot of things with cashmere. You can choose how many threads you want, like 2, 4 threads, 6 threads more, so it will define like the thickness of your cashmere. And a few of these they have evolved, and now they also do a lot of things which are with cashmere blend, a lot of style for women, for men, everything like here. And they do sales, like I got this one during their last sales, and I was so happy with it because, I mean, basically I wanted a little sweater like this, you know, with a hood, something a bit casual, and I already had some, like for example for my study time, but they're very casual, but I wanted now something a bit more elegant, and I find that with the two-tone, the fact that it's cashmere, it makes it more elegant. In terms of sizing, so I took something which is quite fitted, and I got it in S. If you watch my usual video, for example, from Cézanne, I normally take a XS 34, size 2. So I'm in between two sizes. I'm in between the XS and the S, and I went for the S to have like this kind of fit. So if you want something even more loose fitted, then go even one size bigger. But if you want like this little slightly fitted effect, then I think this is actually the perfect size. And I found like the level of detail. So here on the zipper, it's obviously written Bompard, and it's like a very high quality zipper. At the end of this also, like they're very heavy compared to my usual one, and I don't know, they look much more high quality. Everything look higher quality. They retail for hundreds of euros. I don't remember the exact price I paid, and as I said, I got it on sale on top of that. For my husband also, his one, I got it on sale. I mean, it's just worth having a look. They're amazing and the quality is beautiful and they will last you a lifetime. So yeah, so I've been very happy with it, and I think it makes lovely gifts. They have again a lot of options, scarves, everything. So if for your loved ones or for yourself, again, a little cashmere thing is always nice. Okay, then second one, I've made actually a dedicated video showing them, but I've been like using them non-stop. It is new Vivaya shoes. I got the Amanda and the Audrey. I love the little leopard on those loafers, but they have also a lot of other style, other colors, other things. And I love them because they are, well, very simple, very elegant, and they are waterproof. So it's amazing. This one, I've been wearing them a lot. Like you can see a bit, they would deserve a little cleaning because I wore them, yeah, when it's raining. We had a Christmas lunch with work. The weather was terrible, and so I wanted still something a bit nice in terms of shoes, but we had to walk outside because, yeah, that's it. And so I took these ones and it was perfect. In terms of sizing, I have this one in my usual size, no problem, but I don't wear them with thick socks. I wear them with thin socks or tights or barefoot, and my usual size is great. These ones, if you wear them with tights, your usual size is okay, but as soon as you put, if you have a bit wider foot and you want to put them more with socks and so on, go half a size up. And if you want to wear them also with like thicker socks, I will even go potentially a full size up. If you just want to wear them with tights, or if you have not especially wide feet, then your normal size should be fine. And yeah, they're extremely comfortable and they're great. And as I said, I have a dedicated video, so if you're interested, you can go have a look. And they're not sponsoring or affiliating or anything this video, but I got these shoes as a gift. And I have a discount code which is valid for 1 year, and that gives you 12% on their whole website. I will put it down below. It's not affiliated, I don't earn anything from it. It's just for you if you want some extra discounts. And then, last but not least, obviously, I went to Hermès. I would say we start from top to bottom, like the tiny one. Isn't that like the cutest? I mean, I have to show you more in detail. Like, look at that. Isn't that like the cutest mini tiny gift? Like, okay, I'm gonna open it. I've not seen it yet because this one I ordered it actually online because I did not have it in the shop here, and I'm very excited. I hope it's living to the expectation. I've seen some pictures, some styles with it, and I thought that would be a nice addition. Oh, it looks pretty. It's a scarf ring, and it's like in this golden color, and it's this so it has a protection at the end here. It's like this more, and I've seen it, so it's a scarf ring, so you can like use it to tie your scarf. And I've seen beautiful designs, like using it as a bag handle, like you put scarves and like it's a bag handle, using it like to tie your scarf like this around you. I've seen like really nice designs. I have another scarf ring, and I've used it in some of my video where I showed you some ways to tie your scarves, because it brings a lot of versatility. Like you can do a lot more original, a lot more options and so on. But the one I have is like this 3-ring thing, which is very nice, but it's really like for tying your scarf around your neck. And this one I feel gives a lot of other options. To put it, as I said, on your shoulder, as a bag handle, like even like even in your hair, like in, you know, like in a ponytail, you know, like with a twirly. I don't know, like I feel it opens a whole new world of possibilities, and so I was very much looking forward to purchasing it. And so it retails for 200 euro, so it's not even like that expensive. And yeah, it's written here, Hermès. You have it written inside, and it's written here, bijouterie française. Yeah, French jewelry. Here is written. I think it's a lovely gift, and look on top of that, you get this super cute little thing. Yeah, I'm very looking forward to finding ways to tie it. And look, actually, I see here it's just like one single one, but let me. How can I open that? Okay, I spared you my fighting with the thing, but look, on the other side it has these two things. So I think it's very nice because it will allow you like to like, for example, put the thing like this, you know, to secure it better. This is really nice, really nice. I mean, I'm gonna, during Christmas time and so on, I'm gonna give it a lot of try, and I think next year I will do a video with some ways I've been tying it, because so inspiring. Okay, we keep going. Next one, it's, let's see. I'm not sure which one it is because there's two boxes absolutely similar. I mean, I know because these I pick in the shop, so I know what's in, but I don't know which one is in which one. So let's open it. Let's see which one this one will be. Ah, yes. Ah, it's so gorgeous. Look at the color. Look at this beautiful dark green with the beige, and it matches also very nicely my jumper today. It's a new 90 by 90 scarf, so they're classic size. They retail for, here I have the receipt because I bought them in the shop, 495. Like, well, I cannot show you, it's too complicated. They might do a price increase beginning of next year. They often did one in January, so it could be that next year they will now like break the 500 cap. Look at how pretty it is. It's like a horse carriage. Let me stand up to show you. So it's like a horse head. I don't know if you can see, like the ears are here, and now here's the nose, you see, and like the eyes, and it's made of, it's called complication équestre. Équestre is like equestrian, like everything that has to do with horses, and complication is also a word for like technical drawings or technical things like that. Like, and it's made of, yeah, wheels and carriages, and and I think it looks amazing. And so yeah, so they call it's a carrot wheel in green anthracite, so it's gray green, call it khaki, but, and I don't know, I don't have this color, and I found out during my color analysis that this is one of my colors, and I'm very looking for. I have a lot of scarves which are, I mean, I have a lot of scarves. I could stop there, but I have a lot of them which are like pastel, light, or popping colors, you know, because I like sometimes when I have very simple outfits to add a pop of color. But my colors, the ones that suit me the best, are actually dark autumn, so darker colors. Okay, I like to wear my scarves cowboy style. I just did it now, shortly, just to give you an idea. But you need, when you purchase a scarf, to see it tight. That's how you will see the real look. And I don't know, I think it's very nice. And I like, this little pop of beige, as you can see. And you can see a bit of the motif. I think the color is very classic, but because of the motif, it's a bit modern, you know. And yeah, I like it a lot. I love it. I mean, I love it. It's so beautiful. Originally, I did not came for that. I came for the other one that I'm gonna show you. But then I saw this one and I was like, yeah, okay. I'm gonna open the second one, which is again what I went for at the shop, because originally, again, I have a lot of scarves. They are all 90s scarves, and I love them to death because they are the most versatile option. You can do so many things. But I'm a petite and I don't have a very long neck, and I've been longing for something that maybe could be a bit better fit. You see, it's again like a bit darker tones, because that's what suits me the best. And this one is, as you can see, smaller. They're smaller size. It's like it's so pretty. So pretty. I like the little horses here in the back. The little horse carriage. It's called Faubourg City. Yeah, I mean it's Faubourg Saint-Honoré is where the flagship of Hermès is, and it's called, so it's size 70. It's in beige, rose, orange, so like beige pink kind of color. And I'm gonna show you around my neck, and you're gonna see immediately like the difference in terms of size. I mean, if you remember the one before, you can see how this one is much smaller, so it will give a quite different look, I think. But I find it really cute too. Let me adjust it a bit. Okay, I'm gonna have also, like, I could put it even inside like that. I'm gonna have to work around to see which ways I'm gonna wear it, but yeah, in principle it would look like that. And I think it's extremely, there's still the label here, but yeah, I think it's extremely pretty. I mean, it's very, very, very nice. You know, if I want to wear it like that, around the neck or something like that, with the other one, I have to make it here a bit thicker. And again, I don't have such a long neck. So this could be like a nice alternative option. Probably not for when it's very cold, because when it's very cold I like to actually cover more my neck, but like for more mid-seasons, you know, as an alternative. I mean, this one is too small. For example, the 90s, I can wrap them also on my shoulders, I can wear them as a top, I can put them in my hairs easily, like as a headband. This one, I think I can probably wear it around, if I would, you know, put my hair like this in a ponytail, then I could wrap it around, or like this, but I will not be able to use it as a top. I mean, no. So it will be, it has a bit less options, but I think it looks really cute. And in terms of price, so it's cheaper, 375. So we are a bit more than €100 cheaper than the bigger one. So that's also like a really lovely gift. And I mean, the quality is, okay, it's Hermès quality, so it looks amazing. And then last but not least, I think it's also a very nice potential idea. So I'm gonna show you one example, like what I got in this specific case, but you could obviously get something else along those lines. So I went and I got, you see it already, I got plates. Very simple. So there are two actually in it. Yeah, there are two. These are the soup plates, and it's the Guadalquivir, Balcon du Guadalquivir service. And I bought two more. They retail for 100 28 each. It's typically the price. I think the big plates retail also for around a bit more than 100, tinier plate a bit under 100. And I got this because we got for wedding the complete service with like the big plates, the small plates, all of that. And family has been growing, and I've been looking for some additional plates. They had only the soup plates in the shop. I'm gonna have to order like the normal plates, but so we are like expanding, adding 2 more. I would like to add 2 more of each, because yeah, the family has been growing since our wedding. And what you could get, for example, I mean, of course, you could get a few plates because they still look gorgeous, but they also have mugs, for example, that look amazing. There's this design, like the Guadalquivir balcon. It's typical. It's this motifs, but they have a lot of other options, and they do very cute coffee cups, mugs, all of that. They can be very nice, and they also have, I think they call it, I don't know how they call it. They are square. Let me go pick my ones. Okay, I'm back. So I went to pick, we also have these, they are like square. We have 2 of them. We use them as presentation plate, like for little munch things at the beginning, but you could also use them, you know, like in your entrance to put things on them or things like that. And I think this is very, very cute, a very nice gift. And I'm just gonna show you, so I don't have the mug, but this is like the milk pot. It is just so cute. I mean, it is like so super mega cute. I think these are, I mean, this is what I got, also the soup plates, and I think generally these are also very nice gifts to do, and it looks beautiful. So if you have coffee lovers, tea lovers, or anything, and you want to gift a mug or just something like to decorate your flat, again, they also have other designs. This is the Balcon du Guadalquivir, but there are other options. And yeah, that's it, guys. I think that's already quite not so bad. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will leave you here with other videos in case you have not seen them yet. And if you've enjoyed this one and you would like to subscribe to my channel, then yeah, please feel free to do so by clicking there. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.